Hey guys, hope you're doing well and safe wherever you are. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to clean and polish your leather dress shoes. Let's go. Before we start, make sure you have all the necessary tools to get your shoes cleaned and polished. First things first, your shoes. In today's video, I'll be using my brown plain toe Oxfords from Ernest & Collective. You can see the condition of these shoes are not too shabby, but they're not mint either. So it's definitely the right time to get this cleaned and nicely polished. So what do you need before we get started? A couple of rags or a cloth, a horsehair brush, polishing cloth, Q-tips, just a couple of Q-tips, some shoe stuffings, if you have some old newspaper that's fine as well, or a pair of shoe trees, some conditioner, wax polish, some soap or detergent, some water, and some ice. Before you begin, add some detergent into a bowl of water and mix well. Start by removing the laces on both your shoes, as the laces are definitely going to need some cleaning as well. Insert the stuffing or shoe trees to hold the shape of your shoes while you clean them. Once you're done, take your shoelaces and dip them into the solution and gently give it a massage to remove any dirt or grime. Once that is done, leave them out to hang dry. Now it's time to clean the surface of your shoes. Take your cloth, dip it into the solution and squeeze dry. Gently give your shoes a wipe all over the cap, the side, and the heel cap. Don't forget areas such as the tongue and the heel of your shoes. You can see the shoes already looking so much cleaner after just wiping them. Now take those Q-tips and dip them into the solution and give the area between the midsole and the upper a nice cleaning from hidden grime and dirt. You might be surprised how dirty this area can be, so give it a nice cleaning. Time for conditioning. Just like your skin, your leather shoes requires moisturizing and rejuvenating. Not only does it prevent your shoes from drying out, but it also protects your shoes. Today, I'm using a neutral cream polish for this. Take note that some creams are colored, so make sure to get the ones that closely matches the color of your shoes. If you're unsure, always get neutral ones. I like using my bare fingers for this because you can really feel the leather absorbing the cream. And in my opinion, using a cloth is going to be a bit of a waste because the cloth is going to absorb some of that cream. Using light to medium pressure, apply one layer of cream in circular motions all across the upper of the shoes. You will immediately see your shoes becoming darker from all that cream, but that's normal. Once that is done, leave your shoes to air dry for a good 5 minutes. Time for the fun part, buffing. With your horsehair brush, use moderate to high pressure to buff your shoes with quick side-to-side movements all across your shoes. The friction of this movement on the wax is going to create a really nice shine to your shoes. Do this until you're satisfied with the shine. You can really see the difference after buffing for just a good minute. Once you're done with both sides, take a clean cloth and give your shoes a gentle wipe just to remove any excess cream that wasn't absorbed by your shoes. Until this point, this is how you should clean your leather shoes. Most people often stop here, and that's totally fine. However, if you want to take it up a notch and up your shoe game and get that really nice shine, continue watching. Just like your shoe cream, wax polish comes in various colors, so try to get one that's closest to the color of your shoes. Using your fingers, just apply a light coat of wax polish onto the cap toe and the heel cap of your shoes. Some people apply the wax polish all across the shoes, but personally I prefer just the cap toe and the heel cap. Nice circular motions in low to moderate pressure will suffice when applying the wax polish. Apply 3 to 5 layers of wax on these areas and you're ready for polishing. Grab your polishing cloth or an old shirt that is made out of 100% cotton, and that's going to do the trick. Give it a nice wrap and you can start polishing. Start by touching the ice and wax before you start polishing. You can see me constantly hitting my hands, and that's just to make sure that the cloth is not too wet, because that might risk getting the leather from getting too damp, and that's definitely not what you're aiming for. Just like what Preston Soto from the Elegant Oxford said in his video, the pressure of polishing your shoes would be as much as polishing an egg without breaking its shell. This is where your perseverance comes in. Be patient and repeat the process. Continue until desired shine and you're done. All you gotta do now is relace your shoes and you'll have yourself a pair of shoes looking from this to this. Alright, that's it guys. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you learned something today, do hit that like button, as that's going to help me grow my channel to give you more fashion, grooming, lifestyle content. For more content like this, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.